parallel plate capacitor, that is the parallel arrangement of two plates, that is conductor, for storing large amount of quantity of electric charge, large quantity of electric charge. Now what we observe here, that is it is the parallel arrangement of two plates, and another what the activities, that it will store the large quantity of electric charge. That is the device which is parallel arranged capacitor. Now we understand how it acts. That parallel, let's suppose one plate, that is A plate, and just near is the another parallel plate, that is supporting plate, plate B, supporting plate, plate B, and which is earth, which is earth. Now that storing plate is the storing plate. That means the charge is given to charge is supplied to the plate A, and the charge will distribute or arrange itself in the plate A. Whatever may be the charge, positive or negative. Positive charge is here and negative is induced in the supporting plate. Supporting plate B is where the negative charges are induced according to the positive charge in the plate A. That is the parallel arrangement, means the parallel two plates, either it is like this parallel, or we can say that parallel to each other, in front of each other, exactly parallel to each other, whether it is arranged vertical or horizontal maybe. That two plates, or we can write like this also. The plate, here it is the plate, one plate A, where the charge is supplied. That plate is A, where the charge is stored or charge is supplied to the plate A, and another plate which is exactly parallel to this one, that is parallel, and this one is the supporting plate which is induced by the negative charge, which is induced by the negative charge and which is earthed or earthed like this. So parallel arrangement of two plates, and the purpose is what? That is to store the large amount. Now this arrangement is of which condition? That the distance between these two, that is the two plates, is much less than that of the area of the plate, that is the area of the plate. What we observe here, in either of the figure what we are seeing, that the distance between the plate is much less than, much smaller than that of the area of the plate. Area of the plate, let it be the capital A. So on that case, that means area of the plate A is much greater than that of the distance between or distance among the two plates, distance among the two plates, or we can say that the separation between the two plates. So area of the plate, area of either of the plate or both the plate, we can say that area of the plate, whether it is area of the plates, are much greater than that of the separation between the two plates, greater than distance of separation of separation between them. So what we that follow, that is in this figure we come in the conclusion that area of the plate is the large one and the distance between the plate is very small. So that is the arrangement of the parallel plate. Now what we see here, that is the electric field between these two plates, or whether in the left of the plate A or to the right of the plate B. What is the electric field here? Now we will observe regarding the electric field. See, this is the plate and the charge is supplied or charge is arranged in the plate A. The induced charge that is in the plate B, and which is earth. Now in this particular, in the earlier class also I have told that negative will move to neutralize the positive charge induced on the outer face, or we can say the farther face of the plate B. That positive and negative will move, and that the flow of the positive is shown. So on that case, there is the neutralization of charges, positive charges, and due to that the one plate becomes the negative one. The one plate 1 becomes the negative one, that is the A, and A is the positive plate where the positive charge is supplied. Positive charge is given to the plate A, and the nearby plate B, that is the supporting plate B, is now completely negative 1 due to the earth. So, either of the plate, according to the, we are discussed here regarding the electric field. So, electric field in the first region, let it be the first region, second region at the middle, and third region at the, that is the right of the plate B. Or we can say that E is equal to 0 here, but at the middle of these two plates, E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. The value of the electric field lie only between the two plates. Between the two plates, on either of the sides, the electric field value is equal to 0. How we come to know that? We know that we have already studied in the case of the Gauss theorem. Between the two plates, the electric field of two different densities. Suppose we consider this one is the one plate A of charge positive of the density of the sigma, and another plate B, plate A and plate B, which is negative 1 of negative sigma. On that case, the electric field in the different regions are different. Let's suppose at first region is here, second region is here, and third region is here. So in between these two, the electric field along the region of second, that is electric field in the second region, means the electric field between the two plates A and B, that is plate A sigma by and 2 epsilon naught minus and minus of the that negative of the density by 2 epsilon naught. So on that case we will write that in second middle of this, that equal to twice of the sigma by the 2 epsilon naught. So 2 to cancel it, the value become the sigma by epsilon naught. In either of the cases if we consider the complete left of the side of the to plate A and B. On that case, that electric field at the first region is equal to electric field this side is the sigma negative of this. Negative is the direction by sigma by 2 epsilon naught. And here also the negative and negative of the density negative that by the 2 epsilon naught. What we observe here, that is the sigma negative, or here it is the plus sigma by the magnitude of 2 epsilon naught, that equal to 0. The same condition will be followed in the case of the third also. So what we observe here, in the parallel plate capacitor, the electric field only exists in between the two plates. That is the electric field. Now, if we consider the plate, the electric field between these two, so all the field lines are also parallel in this electric field, in this region of the plate. Now, and the electric field value is the sigma by epsilon. Now, we will see the electric field in this way. If we consider the plate like this, and this plate is the positive plate, and of density, surface charge density is the sigma, and another plate, supporting plate, which is -1, and that is earth. So on that case, the field lines will show here, and these field lines are constant. So electric field in between the plate, where the positive plate and the negative plate with the negative charges, and that is the minus of the sigma of the plate A and plate B. So electric fields are constant between the two plates. That is, electric field value is uniform. Constant means uniform. Electric field, that is the uniform throughout this one. What we observe, that is, in particular case, when the two plates are very close to each other, on that case the electric lines of force where from positive to negative, it is linear, it is uniform straight line from positive to negative. And not only that, constant value, since the distance between the two plates is also constant, so the electric field is uniform. That means the value is constant, and most important thing is there is no fringing of electric field, no of electric field lines. Electric field lines, that electric field lines are uniform, linear, and from positive to negative. So no fringing, no electric field lines either of the left of the plate A or the right of the plate B. Since the electric field in either of the side is 0, the field only lies in between the two plates. Now we will that shows the here. Now next we see that in case of the parallel plate, I have written earlier also, but here also I like to write, that is the whatever the induced charge, positive charge in the plate B, all these positive charge are neutralized by the negative from the earth. Earth is a huge charge body, so negative will run, electron will run, and that will neutralize the positive charge. neutralization of positive charge. That is the way the plate gets the negative one, and it is so close that the negative will not move to the earth, and it is very much attractive to each other. So the lines are almost linear, and every lines are supposed to be 100% linear. That means uniform. This is the one arrangement. Now we see the arrangement of the parallel plate. Now just I told that the parallel plate, the area of the plates are very large as compared to the distance between the plates, distance among the plates. Just I told that it is very large. Suppose that one is the one example I am taking. It is the plate, and here we consider the plate 1 and plate 2 like this. So on that case, this is the parallel plate. If we rearrange the parallel plate according to our convenience, that is one. Let's suppose I make this one like this to hold this one. Now it becomes smaller as compared to the earlier size of this plates. Now that big plate is the parallel, and here it appears as a cylindrical parallel plate. It is also the plate, and there is the one to the next plate where the distance among the plate is very small, very less as compared to the area covered. So that becomes the cylindrical capacitor. Like that, whenever the two parallel plates are arranged like a sphere, and over that sphere there is another parallelly covered by the another sphere. On that becomes the spherical plate. So this is the arrangement of the parallel plate. Arrangement of parallel plate. Parallel plate. And arrangement parallel both the condition, whether you make this one like the cylinder or you make this one like the sphere. On both condition, that is parallel to the one to the next. If we observe the shape of this one, it is cylindrical shape. The two parallel plates when arranged like a cylinder, on that case one parallel to cover to the next one, and the charge is supplied. Suppose charge is supplied to the plate A. The plate A is this one, and charge is given to this, so that the charge arranged over this linearly. And another one is the earth that become the plate of negative character. Positive will move, earth. This is the arrangement, and this arrangement is only that is by the parallel plate. Parallel means in any cases the two conductors are parallel to one to the another, and that arrangement shows the one is the cylindrical capacitor, and another, if you consider the spherical, that one, suppose this one is the spherical, two sphere, one is the A, sphere A, which get the charge, and the charge will arranged over the sphere like this. And another one is the earth, that negative will be shown. like this. So that become the spherical capacitor. Now, in case of the types of capacitor, we can say that one is the parallel plate capacitor, another is the cylindrical capacitor, or is the spherical capacitor. Whatever may be, the parallel plate, cylindrical or spherical, all have the same principle, and the purpose is also the same, that to store the large quantity of charges, and that means to increase the capacitance. That is the arrangement which we observe here. Now, next class we will explain the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor.